Hello foodies, welcome to Foodiemon. Today we are going to try out edible lipsticks by 5 Minute Crafts. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and become a Foodiemon. So today we are going to try out 3 edible lipsticks by 5 Minutes Craft and see how they turn out in real life. So let's start with our first one. In this edible lipstick, they have melted white chocolate and used it as lipstick. So now let's try to make this edible lipstick and see how it turns out. Here I have taken an old lipstick. Now I am removing the stick from the retractable case. And now we have to clean this lipstick from the case. So as you can see, I have cleaned it properly. Now let's keep it aside and make our edible lipstick. So for that I have taken white chocolate as they have shown in the video. I think this much chocolate will do the job. Now let's melt it. So here I have melted the chocolate. It is properly melted. Now let's pour it into the case as they have shown. I'm pouring the white chocolate in the case in very small amounts so that it fills the case properly and there's no air gaps. Also, I'm rolling and tapping it so that it helps to remove the air bubbles. As you can see, I'm filling it in very small amounts. And again we will roll it and tap it nicely so that the extra will come out. As you can see, it's pouring from the side, so we'll wipe it. So we have completed filling the chocolate in the lipstick case. Now let's freeze it. So after freezing for 1 hour, it looks something like this. Now let's try to make the lipstick slide out from the case by twisting it like a lipstick. So at first it wasn't coming out and felt tight, but after applying a little force, as you can see, it came out really well. And it looks exactly like lipstick as they have shown in the video. It is sliding really well. Now let's swatch it and see. No, it cannot be swatched. So now let's try and taste it. Of course it tastes like white chocolate as we have used no other ingredient but white chocolate. So it tastes really good. If you like white chocolate, you'll love it. That means it is edible. Plus I'm really impressed the way it slides out of the tube. So I'll give this recipe 9 out of 10. Now let's move on to our next edible lipstick. For this edible lipstick, they have used 3 ingredients: powdered sugar, cocoa butter and a soft drink. So now let's try to make it. So I have taken powdered sugar in a spoon and then I'm adding normal butter because I don't have cocoa butter. After this I am adding Sprite, or you can add any other soft drink. And now we have to heat it on a candle as shown in the video. So here I am heating it and I am also mixing to melt the sugar. So as you can see, now the sugar has melted. So it is done now. Here I am using a spoon to store the lipstick and refrigerate it. This is actually kind of a balm. So here I have poured it and now let's refrigerate it. So after refrigerating for 1 hour, it looks something like this. It feels very watery and sticky, Let me swatch and show you. So it feels very watery. Now let's taste it and see how it tastes. So it tastes sweet and has a soft drink kind of smell. So for application purpose I didn't like it much because it's very sticky and does no job. Also it melts very quickly, so if you want to use it as a lip balm you have to store it in fridge. The taste was okay, so I'll give this recipe 6 out of 10. Now moving on to our third recipe. For this edible lipstick they have used Kit Kat, Vaseline and coffee grounds, melted it and stored it. So this one is a edible lip scrub. Now let's try to make it. So I've listed all the ingredients of all the recipes on the screen. If you want to try any of them you can follow the ingredients. So here I am taking Kit Kat, coffee grounds and Vaseline as shown. Now let's mix it and melt as shown in the video. So after melting it looks something like this. Here I am using another spoon to store this lip scrub. So I'm filling it in. Now let's try to swatch it and see if it works. So it's very buttery because of the Vaseline, and it can work as a scrub, as you can see. Yes, it can work as a scrub, plus it has Vaseline. Now let's try to taste it. So it tastes more like coffee than Kit Kat, and it has a strong smell of coffee. Although Vaseline is edible, but eating it is not good for your health. So I would say it can work as a scrub, but eating it is not a good idea. So I would give this recipe 7 out of 10. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button. Also subscribe to Foodie Mon and become a part of the Foodie Mon fam. Thank you for watching. Bye.